Oh, I just woke up. Well, guys, I have my spoon and my toothpaste. And the bowl. Let me get a bowl. Or a cup. But I prefer a bowl. Well, I don't think I have a bowl. Well, I'll use a cup. So, why do you think I have a cup, spoon, and some salt? Have a tiny guess. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's because I'm making no glue slime. Now, you need some toothpaste for this. You're going to have to put it inside any surface that you have, like a bowl, cup, anything. Just get some toothpaste inside there. Get out. One second. Oh, my pinky hurts. I closed it. Now you're going to have to need some salt. Get it like this amount. Then what are you going to do with your spoon? You're going to mix it. Should be looking up like this. Then add some more salt. And then you don't want your thing to be like looking like this. So you're going to have to need some water. Well, I'm just going to explain to you the details now. Only a teaspoon of water. Now that you have your teaspoon of water inside there, mixy. Have a good